In this video, I'm going to be philosophizing on introspective analysis concerning not just logical thinking, more some logical thinking etiku passando, as we're engaging in moral derivatives derived from our own unique subjectivity, direct perception, future-oriented allowances for the engaging of imaginative consciousness to expand the expanders, particularized to conscience processing within the consciousness of an individual, that we can engage the risk and benefit ways and calibrated thinking in the direction of meaningful effects, future-oriented, as we're developing our moral derivatives from our internal value cultivations, as well as specific internal and or external conditions. We can develop the meaningfulness criteria and associated approximation to the meaningful criteria internal validities derived, and which we can also combine with specific facts in association to inform meaningful ethical conduct in the direction of meaningful effect that's more meaningfully effective and efficient, and allows for the cultivation of more meaningful effectivenesses and efficiencies within our conducts, as we're able to engage the calibrated thinking, connecting our more ethical concerns that are meaningful concerns and never meaningless concerns, as it would not otherwise constitute a meaningful ethical concern had it not been a meaningful concern, as to mean all ethical concerns are meaningful concerns and cannot be meaningless concerns or nonsensical concerns, as to only consider the psychological needs, X, concerning self or selves within specific meaningful criteria that we're considering the internal validity, as to mean that once the meaningful criteria are satisfied, we can engage more workable conducts, which allowance for meaningfulness to develop in relation to specific perception, action, or behavior, that the conducts can be later evaluated and justified as into the categoricals for correct perception, correct action, and or correct behavior as it concerns one's ethical conduct. We're engaging through logical thinking processes, introspected, as all ethical thinking as well as morality requires a introspective analysis, and the prerequisite for cultivating existing priors derived from facts and an individual's factfulness. One can meaningfully improve one's conduct in relation to one's value, calibrated in the direction of a meaningful desired effect, to increase the effectivenesses and efficiencies intrinsic and innate to those conducts, which can improve an individual's quality of life and or meaning in life in association to the optimization of subjective well-being, only as it concerns an individual's consideration for psychological needs, not some psychological wants nor desires per se, as it's the psychological needs we are concerned with anytime we're evaluating any sort of moral and or ethical situation. That's all I want to say for this video. I hope you have an awesome one and keep developing those associações.